Hello everyone, welcome to Plans and thank you for clicking on this video. I just want to show you this milk train what's going on the track. We've got 10 milk tankers on there and the cars are on the back and it's running quite well. The milk train there, some of them, the tracks are missing the ladders. We've got one what's slightly damaged, missing the top. We've got one what's really wobbly runner, but so far they haven't derailed and it's going quite a good speed there. Going on the track again. As you see the milk train there pulled by the steam engine, United Dairy, glass line, and some of the bogies on the milk track sample they've got different wheels. The wheels sort of fitting with some of the axles are an old type wheel which have got like a split wheel. I think it's a split wheel anyway, some of the different, but it seems to be running quite well. The milk train there, the slow down there's a bit of a divot in the track there. That one there hasn't got a top on divot, let's see. And it's a bit weathered, but there where the pointers and flatless seem to be running quite well. So there they are, you can pick these up quite reasonable, these milk trucks. The milk train going around the track. Just a little video to show you what's out there, so enjoy your train and enjoy modelling. Slows down again now, we have to sort that out. The milk train, thank you.